Hey folks, and welcome back to the Kentucky Hot Wheels video series. Just a short video to show you a couple more upgrades that I've done to the Jeep here in the last couple of weeks. One big one, I've ordered the 2024 grill from, I think the place is Distinction Applied out of Florida. They set up like 15 business days before it ships, so I just ordered it the other day. So hopefully it'll be here in at least a few weeks and we can get it installed. I got it painted the same firecracker red as this grill and the Rubicon gray inserts. So again, hopefully it'll be here in a few weeks and we can get that installed and see what it looks like. One other thing I've done is I installed some lights to the Tiger rack and connected them to the vol switch inside the Jeep. The way I did it, pretty simple, not hard at all. I didn't do a video on it because it was kind of nasty that day and I was in a rush to get it done. But all these are connected, wire tied. Let's see if I can get up here and show you real quick. Wire tied through the protector. They come over to here. I got a quick connect here. If I want to remove the rack, I can just disconnect it here. Comes right through here, and then inside the trim on the inside and down the A-pillar of the windshield. Same way I did the switch over there. The wire comes right down the A-pillar, behind the trim, into the vol switch controller underneath. No big deal. I think I may add a couple more to either the side or the back. I haven't decided yet, but I've got them on the aux switch here on the controller. Excuse me, on the controller. Got them on aux 4, so that still leaves me one more to add more lights if I want to. But I'll show you a picture here in the end of them on at dark. These weren't crazy expensive lights. They're Amazon specials, but they're the same ones I put on the cow a couple months ago, and I've been very happy with these. So I'll show you a picture of what they look like and then let you know later when the grill comes in if I decide to put more on the rack. But I really like the look, and it looks really good at night. Throws a lot of light where you might need it. Okay, that's it. Just a quick update. I'll bring you guys back when the grill comes in. We'll get it installed and see what that's all about. Till then, I'll talk to you all later.